Okay, today we will see ILD for bending moment by Muller-Breslau. Muller-Breslau principle. We have seen how to draw ILD for reactions and shear forces. So in reaction, just we remove the restraint for reaction and we have given unit displacement in the direction of reaction to get ILD. Similarly, to get ILD for shear force, first we have removed the shear strength for the beam at required section. Then we have given shear displacement. That means shear displacement means one side down and one side up displacement, unit displacement to get the ILD. Okay. Here, bending moment means first we need to remove the bending strength. Remove the bending strength or flexure strength. How to remove the bending strength? That is, make it hinge, make it internal hinge, make it internal hinge at a required location. Example, suppose if you have a simply supported beam like this, you'd like to find ILD for bending moment at a section 1. Let us assume this is A, this is B. First we need to make this beam like this. Make it internal hinge there. Okay. Okay. Make that, make a internal hinge at a required location. That is the step 1. Step 2, give unit rotation. Give unit rotation at hinge. That is on left side anti-clockwise rotation, anti-clockwise rotation, and right side clockwise rotation. See, the sum of the rotation must be, 1 unit. Sum of rotations must be 1 unit. Okay, that's all. You'll get the correct ILD. Okay, that means here how to give rotation means, see, this is the simply supported beam having hinge here. If you give unit rotation means, that means you are trying to move this one, the left part in anti-clockwise direction and move the right part in clockwise direction. Obviously, it takes this shape. It won't dislocate at a hinge, but only it takes a bend at a hinge. So this is the shape. Okay, that means here let us assume it is angle alpha. Let us assume this angle is beta. Just we are trying to rotate at left hand and right hand by alpha and beta modes. We know here alpha and beta must be 1. Total rotation must be 1. Alpha and beta together must be 1. Of course, that central, this one, central value, let us assume it is delta. This is A, this is B. Here delta, as angles are very small, tan theta equal to theta or tan alpha equal to alpha. What is tan alpha value? Tan alpha r equal to alpha equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is delta by A. From this delta equal to A alpha. Similarly, tan beta equal to beta, which is equal to delta by B. From this, delta equal to B beta. So then from these two equations, A alpha equal to B beta. A alpha equal to B beta, or alpha equal to B by A beta. Just substitute there. That means, you know, alpha plus beta equal to 1. In place of alpha, substitute B by A beta plus beta equal to 1. Take beta common. B by A plus 1 equal to 1, or beta into here B plus A by A equal to 1. From this, beta equal to A by A plus B. A by A plus B, right? Or that equal to A by L. Beta equal to A by L. Then what about alpha? Alpha equal to B by A into beta. B by A, beta is A by L. That equal to B by L. So alpha equal to A by L, beta equal to, beta equal to A by L, alpha equal to B by L. Sum is 1 unit. So what about delta now? Delta equal to A into alpha. A into alpha. Alpha is B by L. That equal to AB by L. So the central height will be AB by L. Just we should do something like this. Rotate the left portion anti-clockwise by alpha amount, right portion by beta amount, where alpha equal to B by L, where beta equal to A by L. Okay. This is the process to get ILD for bending moment. Okay. Let us see one more similar kind of problem. So finally we got, I will show you one, double line diagram also for simply supported beam. See, this is our beam, simply supported beam, span L, section 1. This is A, this is B, and total span is L. I would like to show you in double line diagram the same thing. Like this. These are the hinges. So we need to make it internal hinge at a required location, and after making that internal location, internal hinge, so just turn. By turning, it takes this shape. Like this. That means the shape we got already. So finally, the ILD is like this. This is A, this is B. So this height is AB by L. Okay, positive. Total length is L. This is the ILD for bending moment at section 1. Okay. So you can remember this AB by L. It's very simple. I'll show you one more problem. Let us take a cantilever, overhanging beam. One side overhang. At section 1. This is 2 meters. This is 4 meters. This is 3 meters. Draw ILD for bending moment at 1. Okay. Now go for double line diagram for a better understanding. Hinge, roller hinge. Now after this, I will draw one more. That is original beam. Now we need to make a internal hinge like this. After giving that internal hinge, try to lift, rotate left side anti-clockwise, right side clockwise. Then what kind of shape it takes? It should not be dislocated at B. So, and hinge to last beam must be straight. You should take care of that. Okay. This is 2 meters. This is 4 meters. This one is 3 meters. The shape is like this now. Units are like this. This is 2 meters. This is 4 meters. Obviously, this will be 2 into 4 AB. By L means here hinge to hinge distance, that is 6, which is equal to 8 by 6, that is 4 by 3. This 4 by 3. So positive, positive, negative. So this is 3 meters. See, for 4 meters it is 4 by 3. For 3 meters it is 3 by 3. That is equal to 1 here. Okay. So this is the ILD for bending moment at section 1. Okay. Now we will see double overhang. Two meter, 3 meter, 3 meter. Let us take a section at 1, which is at 1 meter. It is 1 meter. Okay. Section 1. Draw ILD for bending moment at 1. So we'll go for double line diagram. These are the supports. Okay. Now okay, next draw the same and make a hinge wherever required. Make it hinge at section 1 like this, and try to turn, I mean rotate left side anti-clockwise. So obviously the at hinge portion it goes up. Okay, so and the shape taken by this is like this. It should not be dislocated at the supports, right? It can take bend at hinge. Okay, so it is a at A and B, these are hinges, and this is 1 meter and this is 2 meter, because total 3 meters. This one is total 3. Okay, so 1 plus 2. So the central height also you can calculate actually. Okay, AB by L. For that hinge to hinge span 3 meters, A is 1, B is 2. So AB by L. Accordingly, you can draw ILD. This is the central height. Negative, positive, positive, negative. This is 1 meter, this is 2 meter, means the central height will be 1 into 2 by 3. That will be 2 by 3. 2 meters 2 by 3, this is 3 meters. See, for this 2 meters 2 by 3 means 3 meters 3 by 3, that is 1. Here this is 2 meters. See, for 1 meter it is 2 by 3, but these two are similar triangles. Left two triangles are similar. So this for 1 meter it is 2 by 3. For 2 meters it must be 4 by 3. Okay, this 2 meter and 1 meter formed triangles are similar triangles. Right side 2 meters and 3 meters triangles are similar triangles. So ordinates also you can calculate. This is ILD for bending moment at 1. Next, let us take a cantilever beam. Like this. And let us take a section here. Two meter, 5 meter. Draw ILD. Bending moment at 1. Okay. The process is same. For your better understanding, try to draw double line diagram. This one. Then form a hinge at section 1. Form a hinge at section 1. Like this. Then try to rotate left side anti-clockwise. Like this. No, it won't rotate. Rotation is 0. It won't rotate because fixed is there left side. It won't rotate, no doubt. Okay. Then try to rotate right side portion in clockwise direction. Of course, it will rotate. Okay. Okay. So one unit we need to rotate rotate right side. Okay. That I will show you. So this rotation is 1 radian. Okay. See left side anti-clockwise we tried to rotate, but it is not rotating because of fixity. But right side not a problem. Okay, one side enough. Okay, both sides not possible. Then go for one side rotation. So obviously it takes this shape. So finally the ILD is like this. The ordinate calculation also you need to observe. This is suppose 2 meters. This is 5 meters. Here rotation is 1 radian. So tan theta equal to theta. So obviously this is 5 units. Okay. Opposite side by adjacent side is tan theta equal to theta, that is 1 radian. So 5 negative. This is the ILD for bending moment at 1. Okay. Okay. Next. Draw ILD for bending moment at 1 meter and 6 meters from fixed end. Okay. So 2 ILDs we need to draw here. Okay. So first draw double line diagram. This is the hinge, internal hinge, double line diagram. 3 meter, 5 meter. So first at 1 meter from fixed end. Okay. So 1 meter from fixed end, form a hinge, internal hinge. That means here, make it hinge here, because we need a ILD for bending moment at this location. That's why we are forming that as a hinge. So now, after forming that hinge, try to rotate left side anti-clockwise and right side clockwise. So left side anti-clockwise like this, right side clockwise. It won't go left side any rotation. That's why only right side it will go. So obviously the shape taken by this is like this. So here rotation, how much means this rotation is 1 radian. Obviously, this distance is here. This is 1 meter, this is 2 meter. As this is 2 meters, this ordinate must be 2. Okay. So like that. Now ILD, finally we can get. Okay. This is 1 meter. This is 2 meter. This is 5 meter. This is 2 units. Negative, negative. 2 units. Okay. This is ILD for bending moment at 1 meter from fixed end. Okay. Similarly, we can draw ILD for bending moment at 6 meters from fixed end. That is this is fixed end, roller support, internal hinge. Now form a hinge at 6 meters from left end. That means from right, total 8 meters, from right end it is from 2 meters. Okay. Make hinge here 2 meters from right side or from left side like this. Okay. After that, try to rotate it by left side anti-clockwise, right side clockwise. So left side anti-clockwise, right side clockwise. As hinge is there at left, obviously it takes this shape. Okay. You know, these spans are 3 and 2. 3 meter, 2 meter. Okay, the central height will be AB by L. This one, height is here, AB by L. 3 into 2 by 5, 6 by 5, 1.2 units. Okay, so ILD is like this. positive, this is 1 point. ILD for bending moment at 6 meters from left end. Okay. Suppose this is cantilever. Okay. Some span L. Draw ILD for movement at A. Bending moment. Okay. At A. Okay. It is very simple. First, the fixed support is there. Make it hinge. Fixed is there, right? Fixed is there. That means remove the fixed. Removing of fixed is nothing but make it hinge. Okay. That is make it hinge. That means remove the bending strength and give unit. See, left side is not there for this, only right side is there. Right side clockwise, give rotation. Okay. So L means this also will be L because it is 1 radian. So the ILD is like this. This is L means this is also L, negative. ILD for bending moment at A. Okay. Next. We'll see one more problem and then assignment. శ్రీనివాస్ ఎక్కడ కావాలి బెండింగ్ మూమెంట్? ILD ఫర్ బెండింగ్ మూమెంట్ ఏ లొకేషన్ లో కావాలి నీకు?
BC span.
BC
BC span.
BC నా?
Yes sir.
DC నా?
BC లో ఎక్కడైనా సార్.
C అర్థం కాల.
BC span లో ఎక్కడైనా.
BC అంటే BD ఉంది, DC ఉంది.
DC or BD.
DC or BD నా? ఓకే. So let us take here section at 1 meter. Okay. Draw ILD. For bending moment at 1. Same way, you can go for double line diagram. Internal hinge support, end, hinge roller. Internal hinge is already there here, one hinge. Now, same. And form a hinge at a required location. Here like this. And as at A and B, points are, supported with some supports, it cannot be, displaced, okay? So left part, if you try to rotate by anti-clockwise, it cannot be rotated, okay? Zero rotation. Right part will try to rotate by clockwise, okay? Clockwise. Obviously, it takes the shape like this. Like this. So this is 1 meter. This is 4 meters. So the ILD is like this. One meter. This is 5 meter, 1 meter, 4 meter. So this will be negative, negative 1 into 4 by 5, which is equal to 0.8 is the ordinate here.
సార్ అక్కడ 1 into 4 by 5 రాదు కదా
1 into 4 by?
అంటే టోటల్ రొటేషన్ 1 వస్తుంది కదా సార్